Hey, welcome in everybody. I want to apologize. Some of y'all have been sending me emails requesting how you do this problem, how you do that problem, and I've been slacking. So it's probably some of you have been waiting months and months for me to kind of get around to helping you out, and it's probably too late by now. You're probably like, man, I had that class already. It's over and done with. But anyway, I'm gonna try to keep up with my emails from now on and do a better job of getting back to your requests in a more quicker manner. But anyway, let me stop yapping. So this next one I want to do is called an angle lock, and I want to show you how to do this one just in case maybe somebody else needs to be shown how to do this as well in, another classes or another year, another semester, whatever. Anyway, and it's this one right here. So I am going to create a new file. I'm going to use the English standard. I'm going to go to create. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a 2D sketch on this bottom plane here. I'm going to go up to my view cube here and rotate it to the left so it's kind of straight up and down. I'm going to draw the floor, the bottom of that shape. So I'm going to use the rectangle. I'm going to go to 2-point center. I'm going to start at the green dot thingy, and this is going to be 5. I'm going to press the tab key, and the height of that, not really the height, but the vertical part, anyway, is 4. Press tab, press enter. I'm going to double click my wheel of my mouse to zoom this thing out. I'm going to drag this dimension here. So this is kind of the width of our shape. And then this is the height of the shape. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude this straight up by 3.5. Hit OK. All right, so then what I'm going to do is I am going to start a 2D sketch on the side here. I'm just going to kind of draw a triangle shape. So I'm going to use a line tool for that. I'm going to just click on this vertical line, drag it. Oh, I didn't want to drag it straight over. Why did it do that? Let me delete that. Let's try this again. Go to line. Drag it straight up over here to this one. I'm going to draw a line from here to here. I probably could project that, but we'll just draw these lines in. So I got a little triangle shape. I want to add a dimension from this corner to this corner. That's going to be 0.75. Same thing here from this corner to this corner. That triangle is 0.75. And I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude cut this triangle shape. It's not going to go all the way through. It's going to be 5 minus 1.5. In case you don't want to figure that out, you could just type it in like so, and it'll do it for you. So 5 minus 1.5, hit OK. So there's that kind of cut shape thingy. Looks like a skateboard ramp. Back when I was a kid and used to try that and didn't really work out too good. But anyway, I was never good at skateboarding. I digress. I want to start a 2D sketch on this back kind of face right here. I'm just going to draw a circle, just a random size. I'm going to dimension this circle. This is going to have a diameter of 0.75. I'm going to dimension the center of this circle to the tippity top is going to be 0.75. And then the center to this left edge here, again, that's 0.75. We're fully constrained. I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude this circle all the way through. and hit OK. And then lastly, I'm going to start another 2D sketch on this side face. I'm going to create a circle of random diameter, and now I'm going to go in and dimension it. So this is going to have a diameter of 1. Hit the check mark. I need to dimension where the center of this is located. So the center of this circle to this edge is what is that, 1.25, and then the center to the bottom is 1. Yeah, and then I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude this circle out by a distance of, let's get rid of that. It's going to be 1.10. And then hit OK. So there it is. Yeah. So if you want to add a material to it, or I think what I want to do is I'm just going to add I think in my example I did a smooth white, but let's do a smooth red. And then what I want to do is just go to view. I'm going to do technical illustration. I'm going to add shadows, add a reflection. My stomach is growling. If y'all hear my stomach growling on there, sorry. All right, so then from here, just make sure that you save your file, and that's all for that one. So I hope that helped. Make sure you like and subscribe. Like I say, if you need help with anything, email me. I'll try to get my response time a lot quicker. And yeah, peace out.